Backwardness of women leads to backwardness of the nation. 1. Introduction. 2. Different facts of women backwardness. Illiteracy, economic deprivation, malnutrition, limited role in decision-making, sexual harassment, domestic violence, early or childhood marriages, excessive pregnancies. 3. Does backwardness of women leads to backwardness of the nation? Yes, it's true. It's backwardness of women that results in morally weak society which is full of crimes, corruption and favoritism, ineptness and incompetence, drug addiction, wreak havoc with the economy of the country by affecting decrease in GDP, decrease in exports, decrease in the tax revenue of the state, rise in inflation, increase in poverty, adversely affects the health of the nation because of poor knowledge of hygiene and cleanliness, poor knowledge of nutrition, ignorance of ways to stay healthy, generates the issue of overpopulation, deteriorates impact on the image of the country. 4. Causes of women backwardness. Religious causes. Negative role of so-called religious leaders. Misinterpretation of religious injunctions. Less consideration of ijtihad in Muslim states. Political causes. Lack of political will. Poor of insufficient legislation. Lack of representation in decision-making. Social causes. Illiteracy of men. Taboos, customs, and traditions. Security issues. High rate of childbirth. Economic causes. Prepared by poverty at domestic level. Budgetary constraint at national level. Lack of economic opportunities. 5. Different steps being taken at national and international level for women empowerment. Millennium Development Goals (MDGs), Sustainable Development Goals, different laws and policies, awareness campaigns, role of NGOs. 6. Recommendations for the amelioration of women conditions, propagation of true message of Islam through moderate religious leaders, enactment and strict implementation of laws for end of domestic violence. Provide security at workplace. Control early childhood marriages. Fixation and enhancement of quotas in elected bodies at national as well as provincial legislature. Educational institutions. Jobs in public as well as private sector. Counseling of the male members of the society. Awareness campaigns. Allocation of more budget for women education. Population control programs. Soft loans. Women's health and nutrition. 7. Some other recommendations for the development of a nation. Focus on education. Allocation of more budget for research and development. Eradication of corruption. Sustenance of democracy and political stability. Rule of law. Promotion of accountability culture. Devolution of power and authority. 8. Conclusion.